Good morning, my dear friends. Today's subject is temporary acquisition of land. What is temporary acquisition? What is the meaning? When government feels land is not required permanently, land is required temporarily for a period not exceeding 3 years from the date of commencement of such land acquisition. It is for the use of any wasteland or arable land. It is needed for public purpose or private company. Government may direct the collector to procure the land for a period not exceeding 3 years. What collector will do? He will give notice in writing to the person interested. Person interested, he need not be a owner of such land. Collector says that land will be acquired for temporary purposes. Acquisition of land only after payment of compensation. Compensation may be gross sum of money or periodical installment. It depends upon the agreement in writing entered between government and the affected persons. The collector submit a report. In the report, it will be mentioned that the plan and estimate of compensation. Collector will select a land, place in convenient locality. For any damage caused to the land, he has to pay money. Now, compensation, payment of compensation, sufficiency of compensation amount. If the person interested differs or having difference of opinion regarding compensation amount, then the collector shall refer such matter of dispute to the decision of the authority. On payment of compensation or after executing an agreement or reference, the collector shall take possession of the land and he can use it. On expiry of the term, collector shall make payment of compensation for damage done to the land. It is in addition to the compensation. Collector has to restore the land to the persons concerned. If the land is becomes permanently unfit and the person interested makes a request, then government shall proceed to acquire the land permanently for public purposes. If there is difference of opinion as to the condition of the land after expiry of the term, collector shall refer the matter to the decision of the authority. So temporary occupation of in urgent cases as per the Land Acquisition Act. Government has a power to acquire land for temporary purposes. Authority finds that land is not required permanently and required only for temporary time. Land should not be taken more than 3 years. Examples of temporary acquisition. Putting temporary sheds for people lost their land due to communal violence. People displaced and people can be brought back from such place and make them to stay safe. Places where Naxalism prevails, people are displaced and people has to be brought back from such place and make them to stay safe. For providing accommodation to persons displaced by fire, flood, the DC may take possession of the land. Thank you.